Are you tired of hunting down stamps, licking envelopes, and just crossing your fingers that your utility check actually beats that late fee deadline? Or maybe you've heard about the Lansing Board of Water and Light's new digital portal, but honestly, you're just not sure where to start. Well, welcome to our latest explainer. Today, we're going to walk through the ultimate step-by-step guide to mastering BWL's online billing system. We're going to help you ditch that snail mail anxiety and manage your utilities completely effortlessly.
Here's a quick look at our roadmap for this explainer. We'll cover why you should pay your BWL bill online, how to set up your account, the step-by-step payment options, managing your account, troubleshooting any portal issues, and finally, a quick conclusion.
All right, let's jump straight into Section 1, Why Pay BWL Online?
Look, manual bill payment is a pain point we all know way too well, right? Writing out checks, waiting on the mail, and stressing over postal delays triggering a late fee. It's just incredibly inefficient. The digital transition totally eliminates all of that. It puts the control directly in your hands, strictly on your own schedule.
And the new system offers some massive conveniences. First off, you get 24/7 portal access, so no more racing against business hours. Second, enrolling in autopay means your payment automatically pulls right from your checking, savings, or credit card. You'll literally never have to worry about a late fee again. Plus, you can go green with paperless e-billing. And here's a quick bonus fact. If you ever prefer using their automated phone system over the web, BWL actually charges 0 convenience fees for phone payments. How great is that?
Moving right along to Section 2, Setting Up Your Account.
Now, this part is the biggest initial hurdle for pretty much everyone. That's because BWL completely overhauled their core system, which means a brand new 8-digit account number is required for every single customer. If you have a printed bill, it's printed right there. But if you're already paperless, here's a pro tip for you. Search your email for past messages from custservicebwl at mysecuredservices.com. Grab the old account number from those statement-ready emails, plug it into the BWL website's lookup tool, and boom, it generates your new 8-digit ID. From there, you just create your login and verify your identity using either your social security number or your driver's license.
When you're ready to actually log in, you'll want to look for this clean, blue and white sign-in screen featuring the BWL logo. That's your visual cue that you're in the right place. Just use that brand new 8-digit account number to register. Or, if you're returning, just pop in your email and password.
Next up, Section 3, Step-by-Step Payment Options. So, you essentially have two main digital pathways here. On one side, we have Quick Pay. Think of this as a guest checkout designed for sheer speed. If you're in a rush, you just enter your 8-digit ID and the last 4 digits of your SSN or EIN, and bam, you're paying your bill. No login required. On the flip side, we have the fully logged-in portal. Now, this one does require your email and password, but it unlocks the ultimate toolkit. We're talking autopay, past billing history, and even the ability to manage multiple properties simultaneously. Regardless of the path you choose, the variety of modern payment options they offer is honestly fantastic. BWL accepts your standard Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and Direct e-checks, but get this, they've also integrated digital wallets like Venmo, Amazon Pay, and PayPal. So you can really just use whatever financial tool you're most comfortable with right from your smartphone. All right, let's dive into Section 4, Managing Your BWL Account. Once you're completely logged in, you'll see the new portal dashboard. It is beautifully clean and modular. It clearly separates your services, letting you effortlessly toggle between electric, water, and sewer right from the home screen. Getting to view your current usage and meter readings at a quick glance is a massive step up for transparency into your home's actual consumption. While you're exploring that dashboard, you might notice a really unique community feature called Pennies for Power. This is a brilliant little program where you can opt in to just round up your monthly utility bill to the next whole dollar. That spare change goes directly to providing shutoff protection for Lansing families who are struggling to make ends meet. It's just a wonderful, easy way to leverage digital convenience for local good. Beyond just payments and donations, the portal kind of acts like your own personal analytical tool. You can track your kilowatt-hour usage during those hot summer months to help manage costs, access a deep archive of your billing history for budgeting, or even pay multiple accounts all at once. Crucially, you can set up automated email and text notifications, so you always know the exact day your statement is ready and exactly when it's due. Let's move on to Section 5, Troubleshooting Portal Issues. Now, if you hit a technical snag, don't panic. Just check a few of these strict system requirements. First off, if you verify your account using a driver's license, the letter at the front of your license number is highly case-sensitive, so typing a lowercase letter will actually trigger a rejection. Second, your web browser absolutely must have JavaScript and cookies enabled.
Sometimes aggressive ad blockers can block the portal from authenticating you. And finally, if you decide to use QuickPay, you must pass a reCAPTCHA challenge just to prove you aren't a robot trying to pay a water bill.
But what if the system completely blocks your registration, claiming it can't find your SSN or driver's license on file? Well, this usually just means your core utility records are slightly outdated in their system. If you hit this wall, write this number down: 517-702-6006. Give the BWL support line a call, explain that you need to update your ID records for the new portal, and they'll manually update your profile right there so you can bypass the block.
And finally, Section 6, Conclusion and Disclaimer.
Just a quick note before we wrap up. While this explainer provides a highly detailed look at the current digital payment architecture for Lansing BWL, utility portals and technologies do evolve over time. So always make sure to verify the current payment requirements, options, and terms directly with Lansing BWL through their official website.
So, with everything we've covered today, from easily migrating to your new 8-digit account number, to enjoying the flexibility of Venmo and AutoPay, to diving into the deep insights of that new dashboard, are you ready to finally ditch the stamps and envelopes? Embracing the online portal puts the power of your hometown utilities right at your fingertips. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Go get registered, set up that AutoPay, and take your time back.